The Aikens Innovation Academy here at the Frankel Cardiovascular Center will harness the innovative and entrepreneurial capabilities and ideas of our entire workforce and the patients and families that we serve. We're looking for innovation, things that we can do to change care both here and far away. Just recently we did the design thinking workshop. We get providers and patients in the same room talking together about care processes and experiences.
Design thinking is a proficiency that everyone should have in the Cardiovascular Center. It's important to listen, have empathy, to make sure that we're actually tackling the right problems and then trying to come up with innovative solutions to solve them for our patients and families.
I did learn a lot about just making sure that you focus on one issue and make sure you have everybody's perspectives around the table. My father-in-law was a patient here for about 12 years, so I definitely have a lot of experiences as a caregiver.
Really hearing what was important to patients, the value in that is just incredible. We're so high-tech here. Sometimes we forget really simple things, you know, and listening to this man who was on our unit and had all of the big deal things that we do say that his biggest issue was he couldn't go to the bathroom. That was really eye-opening.
It was fun to just talk and be able to come up with some really creative solutions. Felt very uplifting and refreshing.
This is the beginning of the conversation, and then the question is, where do you guys take this as an enterprise at the Cardiovascular Center?
The Aikens Academy will provide a formal structure so that individuals and teams interested in innovation and entrepreneurship can move ideas from concept to something that can make an impact. The care experience here will be enriched by these kinds of workshops where providers and patients and families are directly connected in a very creative process to try to help our care get better and feel more kind, more passionate, more human.